Today we will discuss about the types of synovial joint. A joint to be considered as synovial, there should be three criteria. There should be three criteria fulfilled. That is the fluid-filled synovial sac. This is closed synovial sac, fluid-filled. That is synovial fluid, and the articular capsule. This is articular capsule in white color. This is or joint capsule and articular cartilage. This in blue color. This is the articular cartilage. So types of synovial joint is हमारे BPSC guide जी, मेरे guide during my PG period always used to say हम BPSC से आए हैं. So हमारे BPSC guide जी, हमारे that is H hinge joint and modified hinge joint. BPSC, that is ball and socket joint, pivot joint, saddle joint and condyloid joint. Guide, that is G, gliding joint. G, ZEE, GTB, so zygapophyseal joint. Coming to hinge joint, it only shows flexion and extension like the hinge of a door. This is the hinge of a door, due to which only flexion and extension is possible. And hinge itself hints to us this example, that is IN, H plus IN plus G plus E. IN is interphalangeal joint in between the phalanges. These are this is proximal interphalangeal joint and this is distal interphalangeal joint. Okay, and in thumb there is only one interphalangeal joint. And also in foot, this is hand, and also in the foot there is interphalangeal joint, and this is ghutna, ankle joint. G for ghutna in Hindi, ghutna, and in English ankle joint. And elbow joint, here is the elbow joint. So hinge itself hints towards this example. Now modified hinge joint. What is the difference between the two? In hinge joint there is only flexion and extension, but knee joint is a modified hinge joint which shows medial rotation, lateral rotation, adduction, abduction, locking, unlocking, in addition to flexion and extension. Coming to ball and socket joint. When we attempt to punch anyone, this is fist, and if we want to punch anyone, but it is suddenly obstructed by someone's palm, this is hollow palm, we exclaim, set, that we have not succeeded in our purpose. And isn't seems like this fist like a ball and this hollow palm is a socket. So ball and socket joint, and this is the hint, that is sit. Sit, that is S for shoulder joint, H for hip joint, this is shoulder joint, and this is hip joint. I for incudostapedial joint. In middle ear cavity there is malleus, incus and steps. In between this is whole of this is malleus, this malleus, and here is the incus and here is the steps. So in between the incus and steps, here is the incudostapedial joint. This is also a ball and socket type of joint. And here is the talocalcaneonavicular joint. Here is talus and this is calcaneum and this is navicular. Here there is head of talus which articulate with both calcaneum and navicular bone. Now coming to pivot joint. Here the movement occur around a central axis, just like jail wale aante ki chakki. This is jail wale aante ki chakki, and around a central axis the movement occur. In Anand movie, there is a movie of Rajesh Khanna, Anand movie, there is a famous dialogue that हम लोग तो रंगमंच की कठपुतलियाँ हैं जिनकी डोर ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है जहाँ पर ना और हम लोग उनकी ही इशारों पे नाचते हैं, जस्ट लाइक आटे वाली चक्की. सो ऊपर वाले, हिंट इज ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है डोर. ऊपर वाले इज सिया. सिया मीन्स Ram Sita, goddess Sita is also known as Siya. So hint is Siya. So superior radioulnar joint. In between the radius and ulna, here is the annular ligament, and this is here. There is a socket, and in between the radius and ulna, this is superior radioulnar joint. Here is the inferior radioulnar joint, and this is atlantoaxial joint. In between the atlas and axis. C1 and C2 vertebra. This is an example of pivot joint. Now coming to saddle joint. Saddle is a Latin word, means seat of a bicycle, because it is concavo-convex both anteroposteriorly and transversely. If we look at the detail of the surface. So obviously we will sit on the seat of bicycle. So saddle joint is set. SIT, as for sternocostal joint, first is sternocostal joint, this one. In between the incus and malleus, this is malleus, incus and stapes. So in between the malleus and incus. Okay, this is saddle joint. And trapeziometacarpal joint. Here is the trapezium. In wrist joint there is the carpal bone. The most laterally is the trapezium in the distal row. Okay, and this is first metacarpal. In between these two there is trapeziometacarpal joint. Another one is the condyloid joint. It is also known as happy joint. When we happy, we usually eat candy. So it's a hint that condyloid joint is also known as happy joint. And when we happy, we used to listen songs from radio, just like him. So here is the word radio, and it hints to us radiocarpal joint. In between the radius and this three carpal bones, that is the scaphoid, lunate and triquetral, there is a radiocarpal joint. So this is the variety of condyloid joint. Okay, and when we feel happy, we met friends, not satisfied with one, met two friends. So met metacarpophalangeal joint, and another met is the metatarsophalangeal joint. In hand, in between the metacarpal and this is the proximal phalanx. Okay, so in between the metacarpal and the proximal phalanx, these are the metacarpophalangeal joint, and in between the metatarsal and the proximal phalanx, this is metatarsophalangeal joint in the foot. Okay, these are the example of condyloid joint. Now coming to gliding joint, it is also known as plane joint. Plane, this is plane. We usually glides. So break free movement. We can't move by plane without visa. This is visa. So what will be the example of gliding joint? It is visa. 2i, there is 2i and 3s. So V for vertebrocostal joint, in between the vertebra and the rib, vertebrocostal joint is a gliding joint or plane joint. I for intercarpal joint, in between the carpal bones, in green color, here it is showing intercarpal joint. And another I is the intertarsal joint. These are the intertarsal joint. In between the tarsal bones, that is the cuneiform, navicular, calcaneum, talus, all these joints are known as intertarsal joint. Okay, now triple S. One S is sternocostal joint. First sternocostal joint is a saddle joint, but here is the except first, these are the in between the sternum and the costal cartilage. Here is the sternocostal joint, Okay, so except first, and the sternoclavicular in between the sternum and clavicle, here it shows in green color. And another as is the sacroiliac joint, that is in between the sacrum and the ilium of the hip bone. And visa, there is one A, that is acromioclavicular joint in between the acromion process of the scapula and the clavicle. So these are the example of gliding joint. Now coming to zygapophyseal joint, it is also known as Z joint or facet joint, in between the inferior articular facet of superior vertebra and superior articular facet of inferior vertebra, or you can say adjacent vertebra. Okay, these are the zygapophyseal joint or facet joint or Z joint. Thank you.